I have Minette, Patrick, Aloha, Eric, Aman, and Navin. Welcome. Aloha, I'm Steve. Nice to meet you. It is a pleasure. Aloha. Hi, Eric. How you doing? And Gil jumping on board. We'll be all set to go. It's absolutely beautiful out there. Aloha, Gil. How you doing? Welcome. Everybody should be able to hear me. And we'll be off the ground in just a moment. Before we get started, I know everyone's had a safety briefing. In addition to that, you may notice I'm the only one on board with a microphone on the headset. It does make it a one-sided conversation flying around, but it's the only time I get to have one. When I go home, my wife does all the talking, and I just do this. Yeah, they say you can tell how old a tree is by counting the rings of the tree. I say, you could tell how long a guy's been married by the neck muscles. Ears are working out. If while flying, if you see my mouth moving and don't hear my voice, just me talking with air traffic control and other aircraft. The rest of the time, I'll share with you about the island, so kick back and relax. Enjoy the music and scenery, and let's go flying. Who's ready? Oh, sure. Take as many pictures as you like. First time in a helicopter for anyone? Me too. This should be great. 23 years now I've been flying helicopters in Hawaii, 12 in the military. I was flying Black Hawk helicopters before I got out. I like this better. No one shoots at you. It does seem to add a lot more fun to the flight experience. Military got me here. I can't complain. And just wait for tower to release us. And we reach our initial cruising altitude. That didn't take very long. Turned off the seat belt, no smoking sign. Feel free to get up, move around the cabin. Wrong aircraft there, Steve. Isn't this nice? We don't have to look through a little porthole on the side of the fuselage. And we cross over what used to be the Westin Kauai, now it's the Marriott. The golf course was designed by Jack Nicklaus. It's being renovated right now. As we're climbing out, Kalapaki Bay to your right has the Marriott sitting right here. And to the right of it, where you see the yellow umbrellas, that's where our office is located. So actually, that's where you started out today. And also to the right of the Marriott, where you see the canoes, is Duke's Canoe Club Restaurant, my favorite place to eat. Food is fantastic. Highly recommend that place. In the back of New Willy Willy is the Kipu stream coming up. It might look a bit familiar if you saw the movie Indiana Jones and Raiders of the Lost Ark. Remember that movie? There's a scene in the movie where Harrison Ford comes running out of the woods telling the pilot, "Start the engines." That was filmed just up ahead to the left of the stream, where you see the big open green spot right there to the left of it. You got to play the right music. Now, one of the things most people don't know about that scene is that was one of Harrison Ford's own aircraft. He's an excellent pilot. He flies airplanes, seaplanes, helicopters. He has jumped on board with us before. He loves this island. He even filmed a movie here called 6 Days, 7 Nights. If you watch the movie, you can actually see him do a lot of flying in the movie. He's actually flying when you see him on the controls. And on the beach to your left is where they were marooned for 6 days, 7 nights in the movie. So he did that movie there and Raiders over here. So we're surrounded by Harrison Ford movies.